I started with the very first product which brought changes in my life. I call that product a miraculous product for me. And that product is none other than HemoHIM, Omega, and Pomegranate. These three products I have used in, say, combination. I was struggling with many things, and the major one was my sciatic pain. The sciatic nerve is considered the longest nerve in our body, starting from our hip joint and going till the feet of our ankle. You can say ankle, till ankle it goes. The pain is so unbearable that it is very difficult to explain the kind of pain I was going through. And we had joined Atomy. We have talked about Atomy's master product, that is HemoHIM. I was so keen that somehow I have to use this product if that product has so many benefits. Since it was not launched in India, so one of my known circle friend offered me that you can get this product, and if you really want so. So I ordered 2 boxes at a go because I was very much sure that in 60 days, so I won't be fine. I will need 2 months supply, means 2 courses at a go. And with great difficulty, I've got this product, so I should not be short of supply. So I got 2 boxes. I started. Taste was not so good because I got this product from Korea, directly from Korea, South Korea. Taste was not so great. So it was really difficult to take it. But by the time 1 week passed, there was a dramatic change that I really forgot that what is sciatic pain. By the end of 1 week, I forgot what is the sciatic pain. The sciatic pain, which I used to feel that it will go lifelong with me and I will not be able to sit properly. When the sciatic pain is there, you cannot sit straight like this. I used to sit like this with a belt tied around the waist all the time. So I had gone through, so I used it on the trust. And in the meantime, my menopausal issues were going on. Then somebody recommended ki just club pomegranate with it. Because HemoHIM you are taking, why not add weightage to this and get rid of other problems also, because menopause itself is not a problem. It is not a disease, but it is a source of many diseases, the root cause of many diseases. So I used pomegranate also, a delicious pomegranate jelly. I am in front of you. I'm the live testimony, and I am able to speak at any length about these three products. One, HemoHIM, second, pomegranate, and third one is Omega-3. I have taken Alaska Omega-3, marvelous product, good for joints, good for eye health, good for heart health, and very good for your health of hair also. You will find it strange how come Omega is helpful in hair. But yes, your hair will be smoother. The somewhere we have very split end at the end of the hair. If the hair roots are weak, the weak hair strands will grow, and weaker hair strand will ultimately fall down. So finally, in front of you. So as I said, I'm a chalta firta testimony for everyone. People just talk about certain things and then say, Okay, let me know what all you are using. So this is my testimony of few products. I call them marvelous products, which is bringing blessings in my life, because people who know me so well, they know if I am saying something, it means it has something.